Marami ring issue tungkol sa pakikialam ng in-laws, di ba? Their stories o third party. So, kailan to nagiging usaping legal, Fiscal Joe?
Well, to be honest, under VAUSI kasi, it punishes, ang pinaparusahan ng VAUSI ay yung any person who commits, yun nga,
Yes.
physical,
Yeah.
psychological, sexual abuse, okay? So usually, yung may direct, and dapat may relationship sila with the victim.
Right.
So asawa, partner, yung mga
in-laws
yung mga in-laws medyo labas na yan. Or the third party. Yung third party, it's different. Kung kunyari, pwede namang, to be honest wala naman kasing law na pinaparusahan outright ang third party. Except siguro yung parang nagiging destiero nga lang. If you kung magsasampa kayo ng kaso ng concubinage, ang concubine yung other third party.
Yun ang magde-deal with the third party.
Ang
no?
third party hindi po nakukulong.
Mm-mm.
Ang pataw lang pong parusa sa kanila ay destiero.
Okay.
Meaning bawal lang
What is destero?
lapitan yung partner.
Keep your distance.
Oo, keep your distance lang. Kasi
Oo.
in the eyes of the law, ang pinoprotektahan ay yung vow
Yung
between the
marriage.
man and the woman.
Yung pagsasama nila.
Yung
no?
pagsasama nila. So, other elements na, kunyari po, yung mother-in-law na nangaaway ng
Yes.
hindi po siya covered. Hindi po siya covered.
Maybe because rin parang it's your choice to allow that third party or the in-law to meddle or
Well, yung
to have
kung
a
meron,
sufficient
kung meron po talagang other abuse po, like yung in-law, or sabihin nating, tong third party, sabihin nating, binugbog si wife,
Right.
or si partner, or
Oo.
si child ng partner, doon po magkakaroon
Yun,
ng
nagkaroon na
kaso.
ng kasi
But-
physical injury.
Yes po,
and
but
all
for
that.
purposes of, meddling in the marital relations, kasi sabihin natin, sinasabihan si wife, wala ka talagang kwenta, ganyan.
Yes.
Bakit ka pa pinakasalan ng anak ko?
Oo.
That's really not technically punishable under the law. There's really, the abuse should be someone with whom may relationship na sexual, marital, dating, or
So yung
common
talagang
child.
dalawang taong nandun sa
Yes
loob
po.
ng relasyon.
Yun sila po
Silang
yung
dalawa.
under the VAUSI law.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosim po. Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito tayo sa True FM. Mag-subscribe and follow po sa ating social media accounts. Hanapin lamang po ang True Network PH. Siyempre, kompleto yan. Nandyan po kami sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa X, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast.